Okay guys, so how's everyone doing? Back again with another video. It's raining, it's pouring, and I'm here on the rooftop. I have my gimbal with me. One thing I want to test out is the hyperlapse. So, you know, it's raining, there's lots of clouds moving, there's lots of showers, and you know, there's so much that you can do with this. I want to try out the hyperlapse feature on this gimbal to see, you know, the results that I can get from it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and enjoy the video. Yeah, one thing I had to do was to, you know, come in here, even though the audio is going to be like really bad, but I had to like go in there to be able to record properly without any noise, or like without any wind noise. Like, I didn't want the wind interfering with the audio, so I hope you guys could hear me. But yeah, we're up here on the rooftop trying to get some nice hyperlapse shots, some time lapse of this rain, and I hope it turns out well. Let's get it. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, all the good stuff, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.